Welcome to a special update of Money Talks with me, Jerry Slusiewicz. I'm the president of Pacific Financial Planners, professional money manager, over 23 years, professional experience, helping individual investors just like yourself. I was around for the market crash in 1987, saw the mini crash in 89. I saw what happened at the start of the Gulf War. I remember the early 90s when, or the early 2000s when the dot-com bubble burst. I remember the Asian contagion back in 1997 when the markets dropped precipitously around 20% over the devaluation of money over in Asia and the blow-up of long-term capital. And now recently we had the biggest one-day drop in history when the market swooned 965 points yesterday and then came back to only being down 3.5%. A lot of reasons for that. Some people say it was a fat finger. I thought it might have been a hedge fund that blew up. But no one, as of right now, they're all blaming each other. Everyone's pointing fingers saying it was this, that, and the other thing. That leads me to this very, very, very important update to tell you that the market has broken. Ask your advisor, ask anybody what happened today, and they'll start coming up with some of the things you hear on the news that, oh, it was the quick market trades, it was the electronic trading systems. No one has the full explanation, nor do they have the fix for that market. That should cause you to be concerned. You know, what caused it? You know, I've always been talking about the global debt issues. I've been talking about the Greece issues, which really is after the Dubai issues, and there's still Ireland, Portugal, Spain that are still getting downgraded. If you look at the state of California, where I live in, we're spending $100 billion, bringing in $80 billion, you know, in income. You know, these are unsustainable when people are living beyond their means. But what happened yesterday, besides the debt issue, was a problem where the markets were broken, and there isn't going to be a quick fix. There's going to be federal investigations, and the government's going to get involved, and everyone's going to be pointing the fingers, but that should cause you some near-term concern. While there's a number of pundits out there saying the market's recovering, the economy's getting better, that is the old news. That is the news that happened prior to this past week. A week ago, we had the highest volume, and it was a down week. Now we had even higher volume on even a further down week. Those technically, the market's broken its uptrend, started to go down, and fundamentally, there is an issue with trading on the market. This is not a one-off event. It's an event that's yet to be fixed. You as an individual investor do not have to be fully invested. Much of what you read, if you read the Wall Street Journal, Barron's, Watch TV, CNBC, they're talking to institutions who need to be invested. You don't need to always be invested. I'm going to tell you right now, the car who wins the Indy 500, which will be held at the end of the month, this month of May, will, for part of the race, be out on the sidelines with no tires on the car. I can promise you. The winner will have no tires and be sitting on the sidelines. You, just like trying to get to your retirement destination, your children's education destination, need to take times when it's important to pause and reduce the risk. Talk to your financial advisor. If they can't give you a good reason for why you should be in the market or what happened recently with the market, because there is no good reason, look at another advisor. Look at me, Jerry Slusiewicz, right here at Pacific Financial Planners. Sign up for my free newsletter. Look at this tab right up above my arm here. Free educational newsletter. Sign up today. Get our newsletters. We update it on a regular basis with timely information to help you be a better investor. We're offering a free, no obligation portfolio review. Call toll free 800-449-9501. Toll free 800-449-9501. Now is the time to get an advisor who made money in this drop, me, and made money through this time frame because we saw the problems coming. It's important to be proactive. Buy and hold and hope does not work. Call me 800-449-9501.